name's Tim Allen, Gillespie Graphics. I'm Vice President of the company. I manage the sales department as well as all the manufacturing. We are a large format fleet, transit, and OEM company. We also do a lot of retail graphics. We also have flatbed printing, and we supply in-store graphics for the architectural retail industry. We have the ability to route, computer cut, CNC cut. We can put specialty clear coats on our finished products, as well as add any type of lamination needed that the customer might want. A lot of people are either digital or screen, where we can do both. We actually can offer anything the client needs from a finishing standpoint and or putting ink on a substrate. We have the ability to do. We had the need for a new routing system, so as we went through the process of due diligence to find out what kind of equipment we needed, we researched who in our area could, and their name popped up, and we were familiar with them, so we contacted them first. We had some needs that we mapped out what we were looking for, which was based on some specific requirements, which included electronic registration. It included a certain speed that we were trying to achieve, as well as versatility of the equipment and durability. They were very helpful. They volunteered to test with the products that we were currently producing, which made it very easy for us. We were able to send them a file, send the product. They had it tested on some of the equipment. We were able to visit the location that they had tested and be able to actually put a stopwatch on it to make sure that it met the requirement we were looking for. Well, we made a decision to go with them because of the trust factor. We felt like they were very trustworthy in the relationship, and going through the process, they mapped out exactly what, sat down, consulted with us. They took our requirements, matched up the equipment and what the features were we were looking for, the piece of equipment. So they customized the device to meet our need. They met the requirements that we were looking for from a product standpoint, and mapped out the process all the way from the time that we actually made the purchase to what it was going to look like to the installation. Install went really well. They sent everything ahead of time. We had some pre-site meetings. They came on site, made sure that we had everything hooked up correctly. They gave us all the requirements up front for the electrical, the plumbing, the vacuum, and we also bought our dust collector from them as well. The training went really well. They're very flexible to meet our schedule. We set up the training, they came in, they made sure we met certain requirements that we wanted to get out of the experience. They came by, they did the training, and we feel like that if we have an issue or a challenge at any time, they're there to answer the question and or stop in and help us with it. I absolutely would. The trust factor there was a huge portion of that. They pretty much explained everything along the way, and I didn't feel like that they sold us a piece of equipment just because that's what we thought we needed, but they sold a piece of equipment that is what we really needed to do the product.